penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I am super duper excited because today is the day for the hashtag a different kind of fall collab. Now, as you know, I am hosting this collab. It is an open collab, but of course I have some of my amazing YouTube sisters co-hosting with me. So here they are. First, we have Shakira from Styled by Kira. We also have Trevina from TMB Designs. Then there is Bree from Bree's Project Book. Wani from Wani's House. Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. And last but most certainly not least, the diva herself, Miss Kimberly from Diva Designing on a Dime. Now, even though I have co-hosts for this collab, I opened it up to all YouTubers, all creators who wanted to participate. So I am super excited to see what everyone has created. And here is what the challenge is. We are creating either a tablescape or any kind of surface. It can be a bar cart, a countertop, entryway table, any surface. We are to decorate it using fall items. So any fall items, so your pumpkins, your acorns, your leaves, all fall items. But there's one caveat. You cannot use traditional fall colors. Can't use traditional fall colors. So like I said before, I can't wait to see what everyone has created. Please, I will leave the links to my co-hosts below in my description box. That way you can go over and check out the other participants as well. By using the hashtag a different kind of fall, you'll be able to see all the participants and their amazing creations. So I'm not going to keep you any longer. I am going to show you what I have put together. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, here is my a different kind of fall tablescape. Let me move in a little bit closer and give you a quick scan of everything, and then I will tell you where I got the items from. Let's start with the centerpiece and the items that are there. First, you're looking at some very familiar items. Firstly, my golden tiara tray that I have elevated on a candle stand. I've added some of these golden picks to it, and these golden picks I picked up at Hobby Lobby last year. And you can see my most recent DIY, which is this beautiful glam pumpkin in the center of it. It's accompanied by this beautiful gold pumpkin, and I have two of them on top of here, one on either side. And these came from the Dollar Tree about 2 years ago. I have two lovely acorns as well, and these acorns came from the Hobby Lobby, and they were, I think they were like a cream colored or off-white or something, and I spray painted them gold as well. And these two blue spheres I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Now you can also see another one of my most recent DIY glam pumpkins, and it's standing on this beautiful candle stand, kind of like a bronzish color to play off all the gold that I have. And I got this beauty right here at HomeSense. I think I paid $16.99 or $14.99 for it, and I have these on both sides of my centerpiece. Now, just looking down a little further, you'll see those beautiful crystal picks. I have 4 of them in here on either side of the centerpiece. See right there on the bottom on both sides. I got those at Pier 1. and they only had 4 when I went in. I was so disappointed, but I keep looking out to get more of those. Here, guys, is this beautiful, beautiful jar. It's supposedly a jam jar, and I got this at Value Village. Yesterday I went in and I picked it up, and I paid $2 for it. I actually have 2 of them. It comes with the beautiful little spoon and everything. Let me just take you over to the other side. And there is the other one. Now the other one did not have a spoon, so I just placed one of my gold spoons in there just to complete it. Now, as I stated, I paid $2 for each of these. It is absolutely gorgeous. The lid comes off, and when I checked it, it had a sticker on the bottom that said it's from Indigo Books. And then when I opened it and checked it, they were originally $39.50. So major score there for $2. It is heavy and it is absolutely gorgeous. And right beside that, you can see my lovely salt and pepper shakers coming back again. I love to use them on my fall tablescapes. They're absolutely cute. I think I got those, I can't even remember, maybe at Family Dollar or something for like $2.99. But they're simply gorgeous, and I just love to add them to my tablescapes. For both ends of my table, I'm adding this beautiful placemat. This is a glittery, sparkly, beautiful pumpkin placemat from the Dollarama. Next, I'm not using a charger for this side. I'm just gonna go in with this beautiful plate that I thrifted from the Value Village recently. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I wanna make sure that the sparkle or the glitter from the placemat can come through. After which, I'm going to add a napkin, just flat on the plate here. Then I'm going to add the salad plate, which is matching the dinner plate. And guys, I couldn't believe when I saw these at the Value Village. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I paid like $3 per set, and I got 2 sets. After that, I'm going to add these, I have some fall leaves that I've spray painted gold. They were in fall-like colors, and I changed them because, you know, I love my gold stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a fall leaf, as I said, but I'm kind of positioning it in the shape of a heart. And then on top of that, I am going to put my beautiful pumpkin as the topper. Absolutely gorgeous. The place settings for the sides, I want to do them a little bit differently, so I'm using my placemat again. And for this one, I'm going to add a charger. Then I'll be adding these beautiful plates that I got at HomeSense with the beautiful fall leaves on the end. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm putting that in. Then I'm going to use another one of the beautiful transparent plates that I got from the Value Village. Then on top of that, I'm going to go in with another fall leaf. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know what comes next? My beautiful DIY pumpkin. Now I've added these beautiful blue goblets to my place setting. I thrifted these a while ago. I think they were 99 cents each, but they're very beautiful. I love that the blue is so bold, and which is why I wanted my pumpkins to be bold as well. And they're sitting on these beautiful shimmery coasters. I think I got these 2 years ago from Kirkland's. And to complete the entire place setting, I am using gold cutlery, knife and fork. As As you can see, I've added these beautiful pillows to the two end chairs. I DIY these, I think sometime last year. And for these DIYs that I have here, I will leave a link below so you can take a look at how I did them. And here's the other one on the other end. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this hashtag, a different kind of fall tablescape. Now, please use this hashtag to check out the other great and amazing creators who are participating in this collab. They have done some amazing work, and I would love for you to see all of them. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I just want to take the time to say welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm truly appreciative that you stopped by to check out my tablescape today. And I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell as well. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos such as this. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel about you. Love you, love you, love you. Until my next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.